Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating magabay. This is Bear Month's Pasilip for the month of September, October, November, December for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages sa inyo ng ating mga gabay? Ano ang pinaka-advice sa kaganapan sa buhay nyo? Ang ating mahagila for today's video. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, umpisahan na natin ang bago ang lahat para at least makita natin ang pasabog ng inyong mga gabay. Angel Spirit, please give me the information for the sign of Sagittarius. Ano ang pinaka-messages sa iyo ng ating magabay, ang ating masasagap for today's video? Magsashuffle lang tayo ng very light para mas plakado at mas pasabog, diba? Pasensya na kayo guys at na-late ang upload natin at because of maraming client si Watashi, pasensya na po. At may inaasikaso lang naman. Pero tutuloy-tuloy naman natin ang upload. And kasi after nito, there's a weekly gabay, no? Hintayin natin ang pasabog ng weekly sa inyo. So marami nag-aabang na about sa weekly gabay. So titingnan natin ang pinaka-message sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So guys, umpisahan na natin for the month of September. Ano ang pinaka-messages sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? And of course, there's an Empress card. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa iyo, no? And of course, the Empress card represents a rebirth. Kumbaga, panibagong eksena or panibagong simula. There's a rebirth fertility, some of you, no? Kumbaga, meron talaga about sa pagkababae. Parang women's power, no? Empowerment. What is additional messages? And there is a Three of Pentacles. Collaboration, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Focus. And of course, sinasabi dito, nang there is Eight of Pentacles. Focus sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay talaga. And of Two of Wands, there is a decision. No? There is a two-path. May mga bagay na kailangan yung gawin o kailangan yung isa katuparan. Revert, parang baka kailangan nyo magbukas ng panibagong negosyo o panibagong trabaho. No? Okay, what is additional messages? There is a Death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. There's a transformation. Kumbaga sinasabi sa inyo na, kumbaga revert sa inyo to about sa inyong trabaho, negosyo siguro. Para sinasabi na, kailangan nyo na mamili. Kailangan nyo na magdesisyon. Kung aalis kayo dyan o magpapanibago kayo ng apply. No? What is the messages for your career? About sa career is there's a high resist. There's an unexpected moment. And of course, there's a revelations. No? Kumbaga maraming pasabog sa inyo pagdating sa career. At pagdating naman sa inyong love life, there's a temperance. There's a perfect timing. No? Kumbaga may talagang nakatadhana para sa iyo. With the temperance, there's a healing at the same time. No? Sa mga heartbroken dyan, mukhang sinasabi sa iyo dito, when the time has come, when the time heal, a broken heart, kumbaga ito na ay matatagpuan mo. No? About naman sa health, there is a Six of Pentacles. Kumbaga, there's a give and take. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo, may tumutulong sa'yo, no? Some of you, baka meron kang, okay, parang meron ako nakita dito, parang malunggay kineso. No? Parang sinasabi dito, kumain ka na malunggay, no? Baka kailangan mo na malunggay. Parang nakasense ako na parang may malunggay dito. So, what is additional messages for Love Oracle card? Unahin natin sa Love Oracle card. Ano yung pinaka-message sa iyo nitong Oracle card na to? For Love Oracle card. Okay. There's a kisses. Unconditional loving and giving and receiving. Talaga may matatanggap ka talaga, no? Falling in love. Attractions, affections. So, let's see what is chakra messages. Talaga may sinasabi dito na mukhang kailangan nyo mag-focus sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay nyo. And of course, kung kayo ay nagtatrabaho, kailangan nyo na revert. Mag-apply ng panibago or kailangan nyo magbukas ng panibagong negosyo. Okay, pag 6 of Pentacles kasi sa akin talaga, tuloy-tuloy ang financial. Ha? Pag 6 of Pentacles na malabas. And of course, there's a soulmate. Oh, kaya pala there is an unconditional love. Kasi meron ka ditong soulmate connection. Taray, pasabog. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? Okay, there is a prayer will help you from this situation. Ibig sabihin, magdasal-dasal ka lang daw, makakatulong yan para makaalis ka sa situation mo. Oh, what is the Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes? Give and shall be given to you. Ibig sabihin dito na kumbaga ibigay mo at ipagkakaloob sa iyo ang nararapat na para sa iyo, no? Kumbaga ganoon talaga eh. Kapag para sa iyo, i-surrender mo. What is the energy? Mas maganda na yung yung ibinigay ng kusa kaysa pilit na kinukuha, no? And of course, there is a woman holding a coin. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, protectionan mo yung finances mo, protectionan mo, pangalagaan mo, no? What is angel's number messages? What is angel's number? There's a 44, I unsupported. So, ibig sabihin, sinusuportan ka ng ating angel spirit. So, sinasabi dito, your angels are encouraging you to continue on your present life path with the diligence and determinations, and even greater success will come into the future. Ibig sabihin dito, malapit mo na makamtan ang talagang pangarap mo. No? Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na kumapit ka at kumalma ka. So, what is additional messages? Maraming salamat for the month of September. So, let's proceed tayo sa ating mga kapatid na Sagittarius for the month of October. There is the full card. So, there's a leap of faith, no? May leap of faith dito, Tia. Kumbaga okay, shuffle daw. Number 9. Pinapa-shuffle. There's the full card, T. Kumbaga, there's a new beginning and of course, kumbaga magtiwala ka sa process and progress, ha? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na mukhang kailangan mo ng patient. Kumbaga there's a progress, eh. Kumbaga magtiwala ka. And of course, there's a 6 of Wands. There's a victory and success. Wow! Kaya pala pinapa-shuffle dahil and of course, there's a Page of Cups. There's a new offer, new ideas, and new intuition. Kumbaga, makinig ka sa energy na to. And of course, sinasabi dito, the Page of Cups, kasi parang may mas bata to sa yung tao na to. And of course, there's an Hermit card. Soul searching. Spiritual enlightenment. Taray. What is the full card? And of course, the 4 of Wands, the Hermit, and of course, the Page of Wands. There's an 8 of Wands. There's a lot of messages coming in for you. Maraming mensahe, maraming kaganapan. It's time to take an action. So, what is additional messages for the career? And there's a career for there's a lovers, partnership. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan nyo ng partnership, ha? About sa love life. There's a Knight of Coin. Practicality. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan nyo magtulungan with your partner, with your loved ones. About sa health. Angel Spirit. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a judgment. Oh. About sa health, there's an awakening. Kumbaga, pag there's a pay attention, may mga bagay or ways ka na ginagawa na hindi dapat karapat-dapat, no? Ibig sabihin, may mga parang red flag to, parang nasasobrahan ka na. Parang limitation mo na yung ganito, bawal na yung ganyan, bawal na yung ganito. Kumbaga may mga bawal ka na nagpa-check up ka before or nagpatingin ka na parang nagkaroon ng problema sa'yo dun sa mga part na yon. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong kumbaga mag-pause or teka, pansinin mo yung nangyayari sa'yo. Parang pay attention or wake up call sa'yo. And there's an awakening also. So, what is the chakra? What is the chakra, angel spirit? What is the chakra? Enlightenment, di ba? Awakening and enlightenment talaga, Kumbaga, there's a soul searching, soul's enlightenment. And of course, there's an enlightenment by your ways or your health, no? Kumbaga, binibigyan ka ng kaliwanagan na may mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin at may mga bagay na hindi dapat ginagawa. Okay, what is the energy? What is this energy? There's a told you, there's a kunapiya. Kumbaga, kailangan mong kumain na masusustansya pagkain. Proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo, ha? May mga pagkain ka na kailangan mong kainin, even yung mga fruits and vegetables, no? Yun yung mga bagay na kailangan mong meron ka pag kumakain. Kasi para mag-digest ng maayos ang iyong digestive system. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? So, sinasabi dito ni Archangel Michael, ay dalawa, guarded and protected, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, baka kailangan mong bantayan at pangalagaan yung sarili mo. And the personal you're asking is not trustworthy. Ibig sabihin dito, minsan mayroong kumakausap sa'yo o may nag-a-advise sa'yo, maniwala ka sa kanila na may mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin at yung bawal, ha, iwasan. So, what is the Jesus-loving quotes? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon kasi ng parang sinusuway mo kasi yung sinasabi. No? And of course, sinasabi dito, I will not leave you comfortless, I will come to you. Hindi kanya pababayaan ni God. Bibigyan kanya ng taong instrumento para magkaroon ng babala or para tulungan ka, turuan ka sa mga bagay-bagay, ganon. Kumbaga, kino-comfort kanya in other way, no? So, what is angel's number? So, what is the angel's number? There's a 21. I am inspiring. So, sinasabi dito, you are highly creative with a strong will to succeed. Your imagination is highly charged. It reveals itself everything you do, from your sparkling conversation to your most prized project. Ibig sabihin dito yung mga ginagawa mo, ha? Kumbaga, yun sa'yo parang normal or parang lang yan, parang nature sa'yo, pero sa ibang tao, napaka galing na nun para sa kanila, no? Kumbaga, yung mga ginagawa mo, others, imagination, intuition, kumbaga, sa mga yan, kumbaga, siguro advisor, ka rin, no? Parang, for some of you, parang teachers or professor, something na nagbibigay ka ng advices. So, let's see, what is the messages for, Love Oracle card? Thank you, sir. Thank you po. What is the Love Oracle card daw? Okay. There's the swords and the rose and the paradise, no? There's a clarity and there's a happiness, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na there is a truth and revelation. May mga katotohanan at kailangan mong proteksyonan yung grounds mo. At maging masaya ka from the fullest. Wow. Enjoyin mo lang daw yung ginagawa mo. And maging aware lang sa mga bagay-bagay, lalo-lalo na yung mga kinakain mo. So, let's proceed tayo sa ating mga kapatid na Sagittarius for the month of November. So, November. Ano na ang eksena sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? Sagi. November. There's an 8 of Wands. There's a messages, email. Oh, and of course, there's a 9 of Pentacles. Blossoming abundance. Ngayon November, ha? Ang daming pasabog. And of course, there's a King of Swords and the Knight of Cups. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng wais at listo upang matupad ang mga at may sa katuparan yung pangarap mo. Taray! And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a Queen of Swords. And of course, Queen of Wands. Kumbaga, eto ha, there is a feminine and masculine energy na about sa Queen of Swords and of course the King of Swords. Ibig sabihin, pares kayong high intellectual. Masyado kayong matalino at of course talagang grounded sa mga bagay. And there's a Queen of Wands. Kumbaga, there's a confident, no? Kumbaga, nakikita niyo yung bigger picture of yourself together. Kumbaga, talagang nakatuto kayo. About sa financial, about sa health, aba, talaga nagkakaroon kayo ng collaboration. Taray. And of course, sinasabi na chariot card, maraming parating. No? There's a taking action. Pasabog. About sa career. About sa man sa career niyo daw, and the strength card, strongest energy that brings you happiness. Talaga magiging masaya kayo dito, siksik digdig nag-uumapaw, nakasayahan. About sa love life, there is a 10 of Pentacles. Taray! There is an involvement talaga pagdating sa financial. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, te, there is a long-term success and long-term investment and long-term relationship. About naman sa health, and there's a King of Cups. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga, inaalagaan ka nitong person na to. There's a devoted and supportive person. Kumbaga, talagang mahal na mahal ka nitong person mo, ha. Fairness. Additional, from the health. And there's a, new perspectives. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, or some of you, baka may delay, ha. May delay na, baka there's a pregnancy or something delay, no, na mangyayari sa inyo. So, what is the chakra? What is the chakra? Okay, thank you, Angel Spirit. Release and self-worth. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo daw paalagaan yung sarili mo. No? Alisin mo daw yung mga negative thoughts. No? And of course, a negative person. Charis, yung mga toxicities. So, what is the energy? What is this energy, Angel Spirit? There is a magician and the mirror. Oh, manifestation and of healing and of course reflection. Sinasabi sa inyo dito ng what goes around comes around. Kumbaga kung ano man ang ginagawa, magre-reflect lang din yan sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, there's a consequences that all you have done. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa inyo dito, kung ano man ang ginawa mo, ay maaari mo maranasan kung ano man ang mga balik niyan. Ibig sabihin dito, mag-iwas-iwas sa mga bawal, ha? At sinasabi dito na kailangan nyo ng baguhin yung inyong mga ginagawa na alam nyo hindi makakabuti sa inyo. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? Parang pinapakita sa akin dito ng inyong gabay mula September hanggang November, ha? There's an awareness. Self-humor. Kumbaga, sense of humor, sorry. Kumbaga, mataas ang sense of humor. Kumbaga, ang dami niyo pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Pero, stay positive, guys. It's a good part. Power. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Jesus loving quotes represent, and to you, it's given to know the mystery of Kingdom of God. There's an unexpected. Ibig sabihin dito, pinagkakalob sa'yo ni God kung ano yung para sa'yo, no? Ibibigay sa'yo ni God, kumbaga hindi mo to inaadya at hindi mo to nalalaman with unexpected moment. And of course, my fathers give you the true bread from the heaven. Talaga ipagkakalob, talaga ibibigay sa'yo talaga, o ihahain sa'yo ang pagkain na para sa'yo. Hindi para sa iba, para sa'yo. So what is Love Oracle card? And our Love Oracle card represents the dragonfly. Wow, changes. There is a changes. And there is an heal. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka talaga ng transformation dito. And of course, para magkakaroon ka ng clarity, liwanag sa bagay-bagay. Yun pala yun. Kailangan ko na umiwas sa ganito. Kailangan ko na magkaroon ng ganyan-ganyan. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka na ng movement. And of course, taking action. So, what is Angel's number? There's 1111 twin flame. So, ibig sabihin, I told you, awakening, di ba? Kati, awakening. Galing, ha? Sabi dito, the universe is arranging people and experiences on your path to help you succeed in helping you wake up to who you truly are. Ibig sabihin, ito nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, di ba? Parang ginigising ka na sa katotohanan na may mga bagay na kailangan mo gawin at may mga bagay na kailangan mo iwasan. So, it's a good part. Power. So, let's proceed tayo sa ating mga kapatid na Sagittarius for the month of December. So, December. Tingnan natin ang pinaka-message sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Shuffle lang natin ng very light para mas pasama. Messages for December. Okay. Full card. Wow. Leap of faith, new beginning, freedom, trouble, adventure. And there's a Six of Wands. Victory and success as the King of Wands. Talagang parang inulit lang ngayon dito. no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na meron talagang visions na parang nakikita mo na sa sarili mo na mayroong, kumbaga there's improvement. Six of Wands is a victory and success, a new beginning coming in. Kumbaga confident ka na, magbabago na buhay ko, te. Teka lang, kumalma ka. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's an hidden enemies and hidden agenda. Maraming taong inggitera sa paligid mo, te. No? Huwag ka magpa-post kung ano-ano, ha? Kasi naiinggit to, oh. Nagkakaroon ng evil eye. And of course, there's a strength card. Strongest energy that brings you an infinite abundance. Pasabog. So, about sa career. Career, and of course, the Five of Cups. There's a losses. Some of you nagkakaroon ng problema about sa financial. And of course, the feeling abandonment. And of course, sinasabi dito, baguhin ha, at mag-invest. Baguhin at mag-invest ng maayos. Yung sigurado. About sa love life. Judgment. Awakening. Self-evaluation. Yung parang paalala sa'yo. Below the belt na tea. Parang gano'n about sa love life. Parang, nasusobrahan ka na sa ganito. Yung attitudes or yung respect. So, about naman sa health. Page of Pentacles and of course the Six of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin, there's a giving and receiving abundance. Kumbaga, there's a positive energy dito na may gift sa'yo ang universe. Some of you baka magkaroon ng pregnancy talaga. Lakas ang energy dito na baka may pregnancy. So, about sa inyong chakra messages. What is the chakra messages? And there's a rejection. Some of you may something rejection dito. And what is Archangel Michael messages? Or parang hindi mo iniinda yung mga sinasabi ng iba. Nire-reject mo, parang ganun. And of course, a favorable outcome. Papabor naman daw sa iyo yung eksena, ha? Kumalma-kalma ka lang. So, what is additional messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's your light of the world. Ikaw ang sisilbing liwanag ng mundo mo at ng buhay mo. And of course, what is the Jesus loving ko? Ay, Jesus na pala yun. What is energy? What is the energy ba? What is the energy, tama? What is the energy? Seven Chakra Archangel Uriel. About sa financial. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, natutulungan ka na ating mga gabay. About sa financial and Temple of Path. Wow, discoveries. Marami ka madidiscover. Kaya pala about sa financial. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang magkakaroon ka talaga ng investment. No? Kailangan mong tuklasin yung strategy. Gumawa ka ng strategy. Papabor din to sa yung eksena na to. What is the Love Oracle card? Hand of the card, take a chance and risk. Kung hindi ka susugal at hindi mo ilalaban, walang mananalo. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mong ilaban at sumugal sa eksena. Being strategic. Ay, kakasabi ko lang, di ba? Gumawa ka ng strategy. So, what is the Love Oracle card? Ay, what is Angel's number? What is Angel's number? What is Angel's number? There's an 8. So, what is an 8? 8 and 4. Ooh. I am stable and I am success. Ay! Stable and successful. Wow. Pasabog. Magiging stable ka and successful ka in the near future. Yung success mo, kung stable siya, pasabog. So, your talent for setting and reaching goal is like to other. No other you are self-sufficiency and capable to achieving your ambitions, representing the ebb and flow, that infinite loop of creation. At the same time, you bring stability and rationality in a situation. You are the rock and you are the work. Hard work and perseverance make you dependable friend, partner, and college. Ibig sabihin dito, na kumbaga, kung gusto mo mag-stable yung business mo, ibig sabihin dito, i-discover mo pa yung mga bagay-bagay na alam mong magkakaroon ka ng, tawag dito, yung consistency, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong magtuloy-tuloy lang ang pasabog at tuloy-tuloy lang yung ginagawa mo. Huwag kang gagawa ng bagay na alam mong panghihinaan ka. Yung confident is still. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong gawin yung mga bagay na alam mong makakatulong sa in the near future. Huwag kang magbigay ng bagong perspective na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa in the near future. Alam mong makakagulo lang sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages. Ano yung pinaka-message sa'yo dito? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there is a 5 of coin. There is a financial loss. So, some of you nagkakaroon ng financial loss. At the same time now, there's a star card. Don't you worry, there's an hope. Magkakaroon ka na rin ng fulfillment dito. Kalma-kalma lang. Siguro dahil nagkakaroon ka ng financial loss, may mga bagay na ginagawa ka na abusive or something na mali. No? Mali ang strategy mo. How to handle financial. So, what is additional messages? And there's a reward card. Some of you nasa ibang bansa. Isa pa yan. Baka nasa ibang bansa ka, kaya nagkakaroon ng financial loss kasi puro padala ka lahat. Hindi ganon. Kailangan baguhin mo yung mindset or perspective mo. And Page of Cups, listen to your intuition. Maraming aspeto, maraming kaganapan dito ng pinanggagalingan ng financial loss. No? What is additional messages? There is a King of Pentacles being practicality. And there is a judgment. Wake up call. Practicality and wake up call. So what is additional pa messages? There is a Ten of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng backstabbing, self-sabotage. Or sabotage, no? Parang sinasabotahe ka, kaya nagkakaroon ng financial loss. At the same time, there's a Lovers. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, nagkaroon ng failure about sa inyong relationship, kaya nagkaroon ng problema din sa financial. So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? Okay, there's a speaker. Ibig sabihin dito, tignan mo yung life purpose mo. Kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Kailangan mo magsalita at kailangan mong umpisahan. And of course, there's a school. Kumbaga maraming kang matututunan dyan. Nandiyan yung sagot na yun sa mga nangyari sa iyo eh. Yung mga nangyari sa iyo, nandiyan na yung sagot. Pansinin mo lang, no? Yung mga bagay-bagay na kaya nagpabalik-balik lang yung eksena. Kasi pabalik-balik lang din yung ginagawa mo. So, ibig sabihin, may mga kailangan kang gawin dyan. Putulin. Ikat mo yung pattern. So, what is messages of life? Letting go. Ay, lakas ang energy ng letting go, letting go, letting go. Kailangan mong pakawalan, kailangan mong bitawan. Today, remembering that God is within me and around me, I release myself in God's hands and regain my inner peace. I know God is providing me that which is the most beneficial of my soul. I know that God is sending me and angels to help me face my any difficulties that arise. I let go on the God wills, knowing the best is yet to come. Ibig sabihin dito, parating na magandang bukas para sa'yo. Pero nasa sa palad mo at nasa sa'yo ang desisyon kung paano mo bibitawan ang mga pattern or yung mga cycle or yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, bagkos nakakasira ng plano mo. So, baguhin ang perspective, baguhin ang mga ginagawa mo, ang sistema. So, yun yung nagkakaroon ng failure. Ha? So, this is Pasilip Bermans for the month of September, October, November, December for the sign of Sagittarius. Maraming salamat Sagittarius for your wonderful reading and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.